So we're finding the magnitude of two position vectors, not just vectors. So we've got OA and OB. So the magnitude would be AB. So to find AB, we take the position vector of OB and subtract it from OA. So therefore, AB is going to equal 2, 6, 1 minus 1, 2, 1. So that's just going to be 2 minus 1, 6 minus 2, 1 minus 1, and that's going to be 1, 4, and 0. So now we've got this. So now if we remember what the magnitude is, or it's sometimes called the modulus, it's V with the two lines. It's going to be x squared plus y squared plus z squared, all square rooted. So let's do that for AB. And you're going to get 1 squared plus 4 squared plus 0 squared, all square rooted. So that's going to be 16 plus 1, root 17. So therefore, the magnitude of these two position vectors is root 17 or 4.12.